It's my live case that I'm dealing with. That's what we're trying to
I,
prep
I
you for.
understand. I'm just trying to recap your life case. If I recall correctly, it was one where he said you go back to jail or you plead right now, one of either guilty or not guilty or jail. Those are your three choices,
No,
and no other questions.
that one was not mine.
Well, why did you
Or
plead not guilty then?
because I wanted to fight the ticket and I didn't know how.
Why didn't you vacate that now then?
What do you mean?
Okay, so you pled not guilty in error, right? And
Yes.
you since then have discovered that there's things that you misunderstood, right?
Yes.
So you're in the process of vacating that plea, right?
I don't know. Is there a specific way?
Should you be in the process of vacating that plea? Is what I guess I am asking.
I should be in the process of
Okay.
vacating that plea. Now, have I taken the actual steps to going?
Well,
I don't think I have.
if you don't feel, I mean, yeah, I understand. If you understand that you should do something and don't feel like doing it, I won't judge.
But I know I as far as going to vacate the plea, how do I go specifically to that? I've already submitted my motion to dismiss and my discovery request and Brady request. That's when you came in earlier, but where we were at with the motions hearing, because they said, well, you filed your motions, now you should schedule yourself a hearing. And then the role play just now was based on me going into the pretrial hearing and then them saying that stuff to me. So as far as to the means to vacate, or is
I
there a
can I can
specific motion for that?
I can pretend we're right here, and I think that'll be more useful anyways. So I'll pretend that hypothetical. No problem.
Okay.
Okay, then go on.
Well, real quickly, you said the means to vacate or the motion to vacate. Is there a
Oh,
specific motion
well,
to
you said you make note that that, that you were unaware that no that you like through a combination of ignorance, fear of asking questions, and so forth, you just now found out that you have a right to be informed of the cause and nature of the proceedings on the point of the applicability of the code. And with that new knowledge, you've discovered that the plea of not guilty is misleading and you'd like to vacate it. And I would say, in the fear part, I would mention the fear of violence from the judge and or prosecutor and or system court, whatever.
Well, I just don't know if I'm like, sir, I moved to vacate my plea of not guilty.
Well, I mean, this is in writing, correct?
Is it in writing?
Yeah, I'd do it in writing beforehand. No time like the present. As soon as you know, you should try to set that thing right. Don't wait. If you're waiting, it means you're letting things get screwed up, or you're intentionally waiting in order for things to get screwed up. Neither one of those is an honest, good way to do things. We're just talking about the truth. I'm not talking about playing games. I'm not talking about lying. Being clear in your own mind what occurred and why things happened, and then communicating that. Why did you plead not guilty? Would you have pled not guilty if you had been in a fireside chat with a tea in hand and no fucking bailiffs in the country?
No,
Would you have
because
said, there you go, thank you? No, because why?
no, because I originally had tried to say something, got interrupted, and just that whole dominance of the courtroom
Okay,
broke me at that point where I was like, okay, well, not guilty. Now when do I get the chance to actually speak?